Everybody, it's your favorite girl from the Midwest, Chicago Red, and I'm coming to you today with 1B, chapter 1B of The Fence. Screwing in the screws is what we're calling it, because yesterday I was supposed to screw in the screws, but the fence screwed me. So today I'm taking over. I'm taking charge. I will not be defeated. You know why? Because I matter. And you matter too. Yes, you do. You matter. I'm going to Menards to check on some stuff. But while I'm there, I'm spreading positive messages. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see it? I'm spreading positive messages. Yes, I am. Because nobody should be beat down by their fence. And if they are, somebody should be there to lift them up. So I know it's a lot of people in Menards tackling chores that have beat them down. So I'm going to let them know. You matter. Don't let that fence get you. Don't let that grime and grit on your. Don't let it take you down. Don't let it take you down. But that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna go to Menards. I'm also gonna look at the rocks because I still want to get rocks for the outside and check into some other decorative stuff while I'm there. So that's what we're doing. And right after, we'll be getting into that. After the intro, y'all know how this goes. Intro. Shh, here comes the intro. It's your favorite girl from the Midwest, Chicago Red. Hey, I'm a Pisces and I'm from Chicago. Just deal with it.
No, I'm not a comedian. I'm just a lady with an opinion, but I guess that's funny.
All right, that's enough. Let's go.
My name is... What? My name is... Who? My name is...
Chicago Red. Here we go again. Ouch. Oh, it's the knees for me, y'all. Jesus. I can't wait to get these shutters fixed. I can't wait to have enough money to get my patio redone. I'm gonna throw that fire pit out. Y'all see Christian Grey? That's the name of my car. Christian Grey. Oh. Here we go again. All right, y'all. We are headed to Maynard's. I actually have an Amazon package being delivered today. Hopefully they won't deliver it while I'm gone. I mean, it don't matter. They usually put it on my back porch. Because that's why I told them to put it. So did. All right. Let's roll out. Let's see. Well, which way do we want to go today? Ooh. I go that lady with all her babies. That lady walks past my house every day with her chilling. Get my children! Get my children out of here! I know the color purple was not meant to be funny, but it's some show enough funny parts in it. Yes, it is. When Miss Sophia told Miss Millie, hell no. And they started crowding around her. She was scared. You know what? I won't say that. I don't think she was scared, because I feel like Miss Sophia could have took all them Yankees down. You hear me? You feel me? She could have took all of them down with their big old overcoats. The problem was her chillin' was in the vicinity and she didn't want no problems, because she was willing to take the punishment. Because what you weren't going to do is talk to Miss Sophia any old kind of way. and be disrespectful. It didn't matter what your skin tone was, melanin or melanemic. You was gonna get it verbally and physically if necessary. Cause y'all know she was beating down on Harpo. Harpo was catching them hands. Yes, he was. Oh, yes, he was. But yeah. So that's just one of them things that one of those drama movies that had some comedic elements to it. Yeah, because I'm sure Squeak sliding into that water hole once Miss Sophia right upside the face. That was funny. That was sure enough funny. Which way am I gonna go? Make a decision. Miss Red. I'm gonna go this little side street. Cause we going to Menards in Cal City. So I'm gonna take Dorchester. The Chester of Door. The Dorchester. So let me question for those of you watching, those of you still watching. Ooh, I should have gone that way. Never mind. How many? This is specifically for my single ladies. Single ladies. Good grief. God, dog. How many of you do your own repairs in your home? You know, light stuff, not anything. I mean, if you could do electrical, let me know that too. Because I envy anybody who can do their own electrical or their own plumbing, because I cannot. I'm not even about to play with it. If it goes beyond a plunger and some liquid plumber, I'm gonna call a professional, licensed and bonded. Yes, I am. The last thing I want in my house is a flood that I created. But how many of you all can do your own, you know, nips and tucks? I can do small stuff. Like I can paint. I painted my entire home. Well, I say my entire home. The majority of it. I painted like 80% of it. I haven't painted my room, my bedrooms. I haven't painted the bathroom upstairs. I did not paint the hallway between the two bedrooms. But those are the only areas that I have not touched. Everything else, I've touched. But yeah, what are you all like? Are you crafty like that? Would that be crafty? I don't know if that's crafty. Talented, skilled. Are you skilled like that? There we go. Come on, words. I'm like Trump. I know all the words. I might not use them, but I know them. Yes, Lord. But honestly, everything that I do, I've done out of necessity. I promise you, if my father was still alive, and of sound mind and body, he would be out here every day. Whatever I needed done, he would do it. Especially the painting. My father painted our house all the time. We never had people come in, and it looked really nice. I paint, but yeah, it's gonna be paint on the baseboards. Even though I put tape, it's gonna be paint. It's gonna be paint touching the ceiling a little bit. Yep, I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I miss having my dad around. If you want to call me spoiled, I'll take that, because he absolutely did everything for me in regards to stuff like that. And in general, my dad was just that kind of guy. He was very helpful and handy and didn't mind, you know, helping people out. Family, friends, whoever needed help, he would help them. I know all the VIP parking ain't taken. What's everybody handicapped in here today? What? Is shit, I was about to say, I know. He in a hole. It might be in my best interest to park far further away and just limp on through. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna park over here because I don't trust y'all park. Look a little sketch. But yeah, my dad did everything, but in him doing things, I watched, I looked. He didn't teach me anything on purpose. You know, he never sat with me and was like, daughter, come sit with me and I want to show you this. I don't think he ever thought that far in the future, like that I would need that. I think he thought that he would be around long enough. My brother would be around. I would have a husband that would, you know, step in and do whatever is necessary. My father was old school. So he never thought, I don't know that he thought that long term, but I watched him. I saw him do things. That's how I learned how to fix a tire. He never showed me how to fix a tire, but I watched him fix tires. And the first time after he had passed, I had a flat tire on the expressway. Was I on the expressway? Yeah, I was on the expressway. And I had to pull over and I had to change my own tire. So I figured it out. I'm a figure it out type of person. And if I can't figure it out, then God has blessed me with a stream of income that allows me to pay people to do what I can't do. And if that stream of income doesn't take care of it, God bless me with a mother who will step on in and help me out. So I'm really blessed in what I have access to, or what's been accessible to me. I am absolutely blessed. I thank God for my parents. But yeah, so ladies, are you out here being handy women on your own out of necessity? Because I promise you, if it was a man around, I wouldn't do this stuff. My nails. Oh, my nails. I would blame everything on my nails. No, my nails. And I would have a bottle of polish everywhere I sit. And I would just open it up from time to time. Not necessarily polishing my nails, but I would open it up so the smell would be in the air. So when my husband says, wants me to do something, my nails. My nails. I'm gonna get real demure on them. Very demure. Child, ain't nothing about me demure. I promise you. I don't even know how to be a damsel in distress. Who and what? I fix it. I build it. I will put it together. Where are the instructions? Where the pictures at? I got this. But anyway, I have held y'all long enough with this conversation. I'm in Menards. I'm trying to see them. I'm gonna whip around one more time to see if a handicap spot opened up. Oh, if you were around the other day when I was having problems with my back, it's not that bad today. Still a little tight in the oh, yep, he coming out. I thought he was coming out. Not as tight as it was before, but you know, still a little stress. But I'm okay. Did he leave that car right there? He did. That's okay. I might just jump in that joker. Shut up. All that noise. Okay. We gonna switch it. Hold on. See, he left this chair right here. There we go. Now, I'm not as familiar with Menards as I am with, what you call that place? Home Depot. So, I gotta find out where everything is located. I'm gonna come over here. This Home Depot is closer. But let me turn. I should buy myself a miniature refrigerator from my mom's house. I don't know where I would put it because it ain't no, when I say no room in the bedroom, you know what, I might. I think I will have some room now that I'm thinking about it. I'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Oh, what was I coming in here for? Rocks. Y'all, so when I tell y'all, I'm so absent-minded from time to time. So y'all, I was going through the footage for this video, and it was a lot. Mostly of me talking, mostly of me not working on the fence. So I'm going to cut this video up and make 2 different videos. I'm gonna make part 2, chapter 1B for the fence, and then I'm just gonna make a ride with me video, because I know if I was looking at somebody's video and I was supposed to watch them put together a fence, and for 2 hours they did everything but talk about the fence or do anything with the fence, I would be highly upset. So I'm gonna edit this, but I'm not going to put all the other stuff in this video. I'm going to create a second video. And in that second video, this is going to show, and it'll explain that video. And then they can see the other video if they want to see the other video. But the second video will be for the journey that I took to get the fence completed. Ta-da! Creativity. That's all it is. That's all it is. All right, y'all. Back to the video. Much better than I gotta be close because we in the spot for the outdoor stuff. So the rocks have to be nearby, right? Right? Deductive reasoning. Maybe they're out there. Oh no. I thought these were rocks. It's like, you know what else I need, though? I need white baseboards. I need somebody to come in my house and replace all of my baseboards. Because along with the new interior doors that are going to be white, I need to replace the white baseboards. Either replace the wooden ones that I had, the brown ones, or paint them. And I don't feel like doing that. I think it would be cheaper to hire somebody to put new molding down as opposed to having somebody paint it, because it won't be good. No. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Man, what in the world? This is a lot. Is it over here? They haven't tell me paper base, lettering sand. I'm getting close. I'm getting close. Traction grip feel. Yep, getting closer. Get marble rocks. How much are these? Y'all made me come all the way over here, and you don't have a price? What? There's a lot of stuff out here, y'all. I eventually want to replace my current fence that I'm about to fix with a vinyl fence. I don't know how to, that's so whack. I can't stand while I'm talking. But that's what I need. I want this. What's that? 6x8, 6x6 white Belmont Lattice top vinyl fence panel. Okay. Guess I'm gonna have to just go online, do my due diligence. Came out here for some rocks. Honestly, I'm not gonna go get the rocks today. Oh, there you go. What? Is that right? $10? I know you lying. Premium marble stone. Okay, now that's better. $5.98. But where are you? Premium marble stone. $180, 2012. Hold on. 180, 2012. I think that was the one, y'all. 180, 2012. Nope. Where's 180, 2012? Oh, it's on the other side. Maybe it's on the other side. These numbers, they going up until 3,000. Is that what right here? 180. Oh, you know what's over there? 180. There is no 180, 2012. Over here. You fooled me. Once again, you fooled me. I'm not paying $10, $11 for a bag of rocks. That's what I'm not doing. No sir, no ma'am. It won't be me. But these are rocks I need, John. Bright white pebble. Let me see. Bright white pebble. Holy. Bright white pebble. Nope, they don't even have it. I don't see it. Bright white pebble. Nope. Nope. That would be the one, though. That would be perfect. These those are huge. That's exactly what I need. I come in here with $1,000 just to buy a bag of it. Oh, and I need this too. Because I want to. Look how heavy this is. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. In case y'all wanted to know. I need to, the little small patio by my, on the side of my house, I need to, this is what I need for that job. That's gonna be a lot of work though. It ain't no way I'm gonna be able to lift that. I'll show you that side of my house that I'm talking about that I want to get those tables for. Hold on. What's over here? Bark. Rubber mulch. Rubber mulch. Rubber mulch. Red mulch. I did red mulch before. It's all gone. You know, mulch after a while becomes part of the ground. Part of dirt.
didn't realize how pointless of a piece of material it was until I got it and it disintegrated. The one thing I don't like about being outside like this is sometimes they have mice. I saw one in Cal City one time. And I tell y'all, I got up out that area real quick. Sure did it. Never took a time. Well, let me stop lying. I've been back. I have been back. We are back. Handy tools. Are they handy? Well, it looks as though this will conclude our Menards excursion.
A few moments later.
I think we're good, y'all. I think I'm turning around. I think it looks good. Let's go around to the front side. It's not hanging. Next up, this silly thing. Look. It looks even though it's not. But we ain't tripping. It looks good. It doesn't look trashy anymore. Okay. Now let's see what we need to do for this thing right here. I think, I still gotta clean, still put it there. Okay. Let me see if I can put this up today. Hold on. I don't know what's getting up on here, so if you give me a screen. I need a broom. It might have been the grasshopper. But I'm gonna let it have it for right now. I'm gonna spray it down with some home defense. And we gonna take it from there. This thing that don't pay rent over here today. You got that right? Sorry. We ain't got no love for yours. No, sir. Say bye to the freeloaders. I'll see you. I should have rinsed it down first. All right. My nose is just running. I don't know if it's because I've been upside down, holding my head down. It is running. I beat the fence today. Today, I won. So the score is 1-1. with the fence. My next tackle on the outside will be that door. Rehanging that door back. As soon as that home defense does what it's got to do to kill all of the organisms that was living underneath it while it laid on the ground for years, I'm gonna let that take over. Then I'm gonna rinse it down. And then we're gonna try. I don't know if I'm gonna do it this during the week. I'll probably tackle the pantry this week. But the fence, that part of it, chapter 1, done. Chapter 1 is done. We're gonna move on to chapter 2. Like I said, I don't know what chapter 2 will consist of, but come along for the ride. It's gonna be fun. Or not.